In this next topic, the Cybertruck seems to be on its way because now we've got new photos of Cybertruck ramping production. So let's take a look at it. But if you're just joining in, my name is Dennis. I love talking about Tesla hacking. So definitely hit that subscribe if you're interested. Shout out to Joe. He posted this. This is new photos from Giga, Texas today. We can see a lot of castings shown in an area. What the speculation seems to be that this is the Tesla Cybertruck rear Giga casting. And so it does seem like Tesla is on their way to be producing this Tesla Cybertruck. So really, really cool to see. On top of that, some other Cybertruck news. There seems to be some spottings of this graffitied styled Cybertruck. And you can see in the rear, there's a bunch of modifications to this. There's a rear tire that has been mounted, plus like a compressor and some other things, of course, including the roof rack. But this could all be custom modifications for the Tesla Cybertruck, because this kind of does seem like some sort of like Baja racing, some off-roading thing or something like that. But definitely some pretty interesting stuff. Let me know what your thoughts on it. We're going to jump into the next topic.